Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, you can see on my desk here, I have 8 new graphic cards, and you're probably wondering where I got these. Okay, so let me explain. So I don't have you guys hounding me in the comments. Red Panda, where did you get these? Where did you get these? Nobody can buy GPUs right now. I know, I get it, I know. So let me start off with that. All right, so these 8 RTX 3070s, and these are like the Asus blower style GPUs. I believe these are called the Asus Turbos RTX 3070s. And so these are from mineshop.eu. Guntis Vitolins, he gave me an email. He said, Red Panda, we got some RTX 3070 blower style GPUs. They're great for server cases. And I was like, yes, please, please, I will buy them. So that's it. That's how I got these. And so I guess the power of being a YouTuber or content creator, they reached out to me and I was able to buy these. So thank you to mineshop.eu. Guntis, thank you so much. Alright guys, so don't hound me in the comments. If you want to get GPUs, go make a YouTube channel, then you'll figure it out. Okay, I'm probably going to get a lot of dislikes for that, but that's okay, that's okay. Anyways guys, what I'm going to do with those 8 GPUs is I'm going to be putting it in this Minebox 8. You guys know this is where I put in my 6 Asus TUF cards, RTX 3080s. You guys may have saw that video. And honestly, the rig is doing really well, but I do have one of the graphic cards that are kind of thermal throttling. The first GPU is getting about 93 mega hash, and the rest of them are able to get about 100, or if not close to 100 mega hash. Alright, so what I'm wanting to do actually is take those Asus TUFs out of that Minebox 8 and potentially either put it in this Minebox 12 or this AAA Wave 12 GPU frame. And so then I can stagger the GPUs to have more spacing and hopefully they won't thermal throttle. Or, you know, staggering the 6 GPUs, Asus TUFs in this Minebox 12 like server case, okay? So I want you guys to vote for what you guys want me to do. I will do whatever has the most votes, okay? So straw poll down below in the description if you want me to put the Asus TUFs in here or in this server case, okay? So let me know. But anyways, guys, I want to focus on these GPUs, alright? So yeah, blower style Asus Turbo RTX 3070s, okay? So a pretty cool thing about these GPUs is, well, obviously there's no backplate. And then you can see on this side, usually the power would be at the top of the GPU, like over here. But in this case, I definitely bet that these are meant for like machine learning, computing, server style cases, okay? So look at that, the power is on the back here, 2 8-pins, and I don't know if you guys can see the copper heatsink inside, but it is horizontal, all right, not vertical, so the airflow is able to flow through the GPU pretty easily. So these types of GPUs are really great for server style. I'm definitely reminiscing about the past regarding like Founders Edition cards with these types of blowers, and you know the RX Vega cards, they have like blower style ones, the Vega 56s, Vega 64s. Those cards were great in server cases, like they're meant for server cases. So yeah, I'm gonna put these into there and we're gonna see what we can mine on ERGO and Ethereum, as I think ERGO right now as of recording is a little bit more profitable than mining Ethereum. So we're gonna see what kind of hash rates and the power consumption kind of what we can get on that rig, okay? I'm not sure if I can actually figure out the exact wattage. I don't have SpaceGoat's power meter here, but I do have amperage meters on my PDU, so maybe we can figure it out that way. But relatively, you guys know, in HiveOS, we are able to see the power consumption on NVIDIA cards be very close to what it is at the wall, okay? It's not like AMD cards. The AMD card reporting is definitely a bit off compared to NVIDIA cards. So anyways guys, I'm gonna shut down that rig and we're gonna see what the spacing will be like for these 8 RTX 3070s, all right? Give me a sec, guys. Oh man, it's been a while since I've opened this up. Alright, you guys can see here are my 6 Asus TUF RTX 3080s. Okay, so yeah, look at how the spacing is there. The 3070s should definitely be a lot less in terms of length, so that should be no problem. And I guess the spacing will be really good as well, that I can fit, you know, 8 of them in this case. So we're gonna see, it looks good. Alright, let me just take these cards out. Alright, the 3080s are out, you guys can see. Here are all the PCIe cabling. All right, so there are 8 strands. Okay, just so you guys understand here, each of these strands are gonna go into the RTX 3070s, okay, the blower cards. And actually, one thing I'm kind of worried about, actually, let me get a GPU. One-hander, hope I don't drop this. All right, so just an example. So I got one in, you guys can see. And since the power is on the back here, I was kind of worried if I may have some issues with that, okay? So actually, if I try to plug in a PCIe right now, okay, I needed 2 hands for that, but man, that was a pain. Okay, so I simply just took out the GPU so that I could put in the PCIe plug. So there you guys go. Looks like it's not too bad. It is hitting the fan grill, all right, a little bit, but I think that's okay. So we have enough spacing generally and should be able to fit all of the RTX 3070s. Actually, one thing I forgot to talk about is now the risers, I believe, on this riserless motherboard need power. So you can see these 2 ones right here, PCIe 6 pins, these are not plugged in. But the other 6 here are plugged in, okay, from the factory, all right, in this Mindbox 8. This is a 2500 watt power supply. So definitely enough power to power 8 RTX 3070s, definitely, because each of these we should probably get about 110 to 125 watts in HiveOS using the absolute core clock feature, okay, to lock the core. So my plan is to, unfortunately, for 2 of the strands, okay, the 2 of the last strands here, for these last 2 ones here that we need PCIe, I will have to use a splitter, okay? So one end is going to go into the riserless motherboard and then the other end is going to go into the GPU. Now I'm not quite sure if I can swing that. This cable is pretty long. I'm going to have to do some bending. But anyways, I'm going to just populate all the GPUs in here right now, guys, and you will see, and I will talk about what issues I had in here in a sec. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. You guys can see 8 of the RTX 3070 turbos are in. I didn't have any issues putting in the PCIe cabling. You guys can see, works pretty good. The splitter is fine. And actually, now that I think about it, the fans are gonna be an issue. So these are blower style cards, all right? So the hot air is essentially gonna be going out this way because the blower, the fan is over here, right? And it cycles through the copper heatsink in here, which I showed you guys earlier. It's horizontal, so that's good. And so the hot air is gonna go out this way, but these fans are blowing the air out this way, so that's gonna be an issue. I'm gonna flip the fans the other way, and I just realized I should have done that earlier before I put in the cards. Oh man, okay. So guys, I'm gonna do that right now. Give me a sec. There we go, that is better. So now the airflow should go through the cards, okay? All the air is going to be coming in this way, so that means I will have to place the rig the other way, okay? So actually, let me place it on the rack right now, guys, and then we'll turn it on, see if it works. Okay, it's on my shelf. Let's turn it on, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hope there's no smoke. Alright, I feel a lot of air, that's for sure. A lot of air is coming through the fans now. So that's good. Okay, so let's see if I can see it in HiveOS. Okay, let's see what we can see here. Yes, 8 RTX 3070s. They show up as Asus, Samsung memory. Oh, that's great. Okay, I already applied my overclocks as well, so we're doing absolute core clock of 1100. 2400 memory, 125 power limit. Okay, and we're gonna be trying Ethereum and Zilliqa. I've been mining Ethereum and Zil for a while now, so looks like it's just coming up here. Okay, let's refresh one more time, and there we go. Yeah, 61 mega hash. Look at the power consumption, 110, 111. Yeah, wow, 110 watts. Each RTX 3070. These are the Asus blowers, guys. Wow, that is nice. Okay, it's working. This is a really, really nice rig. It's going good. Now I need to put the cover on and just see how the temperatures will be. Let me do that right now. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and I got the lid on top, and you guys can see here are the temperatures of the GPUs. Unfortunately, we don't know what the memory temperature is because in HiveOS we cannot see what the mem temp is for the 3070s yet. But you can see here about 49, 48, 48, 47, 48, 47 degrees on most of these RTX 3070s. Really, really good, really efficient as well. Look at the power consumption. It was at 110, but as I put up the fan speed, okay, to about 80, it was at 0 before, but the temperatures were going up. So I put it at 80, and now it looks like the power consumption has gone up just a little bit. Okay, so like another 5 or 6 watts per GPU, but otherwise guys, I think this is good on mining Ethereum. Okay, so you guys want to see what this rig will do on ERGO. I'm also very excited, so it's probably gonna get about, I think, 120 mega hash each card mining ERGO, so give me a sec. Okay, so here's ERGO, and we're getting about 125 mega hash for each of the cards. Yeah, pretty good. The power consumption is definitely a lot lower. Let me just give it a refresh here. You can see the power consumption for the whole rig is roughly about 814. I'm gonna say plus another 50 watts. So about 860, 870 watts for the whole rig. Mining ERGO, Auto Lycos algorithm. So if we go to what to mine, I already put in my numbers here. Auto Lycos getting about 1 gigahash, and the Ethereum hash rate I have in as well. And let's just hit calculate, and you guys will see right now, as of recording this video, it is June 1st of 2021. You can see here, this rig is able to, oh, looks like Ethereum is a bit more profitable than mining ERGO on this rig specifically. So look at that, $31 a day or $25 a day mining ERGO. Oh, it looks like Conflux is doing well, but I guess that's because we have the exact hash rate, so make sure you guys do that. Every time you go to what to mine, make sure you put in the exact hash rate that your mining rig is able to achieve. Then you can see what the profitability is there exactly. Okay, so guys, there you go, success. This rig is doing good. These cards are pretty nice and cool. I definitely don't feel much heat coming out of this, so I think these cards are really good. 3070s are generally pretty good. And you guys can see I have another 3070 rig here, which is really, it's just mining Ethereum all the way. It's doing really well. And I'm mining Zilliqa, dual mining Ethereum and Zilliqa together. So really good. I'm gonna do a video about that later on. Okay guys, let me know your thoughts about this rig and the 8 3070s. And as well, please let me know what I should do with these 6 RTX 3080s. Okay, if I should put it in a Minebox 12 case or put it in another one of these AAA Wave 12 GPU mining frames, okay? Let me know what you guys think in the straw poll down below. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.